Hello everyone. Welcome to my second video. In the first video, I just said about what is this, what is the motive and uh, behind this channel and the overall posting videos and all. So, I'll just give a conclusion that uh, okay. Uh, I create this channel basically to improve my English for my upcoming interviews in case if I may able to in case I may uh, crack the CAT exam. So from now on, as I saw some videos that how to improve English, so the videos suggest that you just start saying it, then you able to speak it after some time in fluency. So that's why I started this channel. Okay, so as I said in the previous video that I will share the experience with you people. So okay, um, I guess I said that I will share my why I chose cat. Okay, so my academic profile is like um, uh, I was from state board in 10th, and then 11th 12th I switched to CBSE, and I was in science stream, and I was actually preparing for NEET because obvious for Indian parents, doctor and engineers are like God. Okay, no hate for Indian parents. I love my mama. Okay, so the next thing is okay when I was preparing for NEET, uh, I found out that NEET is not my type. Means physics is just uh, like physics is just not my cup of tea. Like I used to solve basic problems in physics, but I can't solve those with some complicated problems or quite difficult problems. I could not do that type of problems. So chemistry also chemistry for me was also okay, but bio is like I just I was assured when I chose a science stream that at least biology would be easy for me at that time. What I thought, but somehow physics and chemistry grilled me at that time. So I decided to not decided to not go with the neat preparation. Though I dropped a year because of the NEET, and I was preparing from Akash Institute. Um, Frankly, the teachers were good and everything was good, but I can't I could not able to interpret all the physics and chemistry they taught in the class. Uh, though I scored well in the sense I scored in the first attempt 400 something, and from a state board and for a student from state board to CBSE and scored this much is a like In my opinion, it's a big thing in the first attempt, but yeah, after 12th I dropped the year, and I was preparing from Akash Institute. 11th 12th was quite good because at my 12th, as you all know, COVID hit India at that time, so my exams were cancelled, and I have that COVID batch who got free marks. So my 10th percentile was 92, but the my 12th percentile is 85 because I was in a dummy school. Like you guys may know that um, some of the institutes in your the like the dummy schools, like you have to go to institute in case you if you are admitted to Akash or Allen or somewhere, you 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 go to that institute, but your attendance will be taken care by the uh, institute people. Like you don't have to go to school at that time. You just have to focus on your NEET or G preparation. The attendance will taken care by the institute authorities. So at that time I scored 85. Like obvious I did not give exam. They marked they give score, don't know. I when I asked them that I scored 92 in 10th, so why you reduce my marks to 85? They said that we you are the first batch of 12th of our school, so as a new school we can't give more marks than 85. I regretted at that time that why I even I took admission to that college. Like I literally still I regretted about I'm still regretting about the decision to take admission in 11th and 12th at that institute. I can't uh, I can't mm, I can't say that institute name. I don't want any controversy. My 11th 12th are like hell. Somehow I uh, uh, I overcome the shifted phase, like from state board to CBSE, with my own efforts and own hard work. I somehow managed in that environment, CBSE environment, because uh, I was in a village up to 10th, so I can't even talk in Hindi properly. So uh, when I wanted that time ki, like I have to ask that doubt. I had to do that. फिर sorry, I can't say Hindi. Okay, I have to be stick to only English. So huh, what I was saying, I forget. Yeah, hmm, that's it. Okay. Huh. When I was like I can't sorry I could not talk in Hindi at that time, so I could not communicate in that class with teacher. Like I could not ask doubts properly. So I felt very I felt left out because at that time the students around me are um, very fluent in Hindi as well as in English, and I can't even properly talk in Hindi, forget about English, in which I'm still struggling with. Okay, okay. However, I managed at that time. I focused mainly on my physics, chemistry. I I I put effort. I put effort to overcome from that weakness part that is related to physics and chemistry, but I simply can't. Maybe that is not my type. So my NEET journey ended up at my drop year. I dropped a year, but for NEET, but still can't make it to a good government college because I am not basically interested in physics or chemistry. So then after that, I took admission in a very good college in Bhubaneswar. Very good college in Bhubaneswar, but I changed my stream at that time because I just wanted that I just wanted a degree at that time so that I could be eligible for any government exams or any exams because most of the exams need graduation. So I just wanted a degree in any subject. So and I was not ready to take science again and again grilled with those physics and chemistry part. So I decided that I will change my stream. So I changed my stream to commerce. Commerce, obvious for you have physics and chemistry and all science part in your plus two, and suddenly you change to commerce. So obvious you have to work hard for few first months. So I started I started graduation. I guess 2022. I took admission in a good college. Some because my marks are low still. Somehow the percentile, sorry, the cutoff of the college at that year particularly quite low. So I took admission in that college only, and successfully graduated from that. So I took commerce for, and obvious my aim was not to do something in that become line. So I started exploring like what what course best suited for me. So I started exploring. Like I started preparation for CA also, CA, CMA, CFA. I researched thoroughly about all the courses, but uh, I don't I did not want that again something. I don't want something to happen so that like NEET, my next some years should not be like wasted, like I wasted that NEET year. I don't want that. So I want to choose proper. I want to choose a proper course for me, or a course that suits me, and uh, I I could be like I could know that yes, this is the course and this is the story. Sorry, this is the course and this is the thing I want to do. Like in the course from my heart, I I really want to do that thing. So I started exploring in I like which subjects. Like I what I want to read. So I explored for at least up to 1.5 year of my graduation. Like I did a CA for I read for like I just researched about CA for 1 to 1.5 months, about CMA 1 to 1.5 months, uh, like that CMA, CFA, and some other courses. Okay, but one when I researched about the CFA and watched some videos, 1 to 2 videos of CFA, I realized that I am quite interested in finance. Okay, and that is the breakthrough point that at that moment it strikes that what I should do. Okay, only that part of life, only that moment I realized that what I wanted to do, and what I want to do. So this is the thing. And then I asked CA Chachu of mine. I know you all have also some CA Chachu, CA Fupand or whatever, CA Chachu like that. Okay, I have also a CA Chachu. So he said that CFA is good if you want to go to abroad, but CFA is good in abroad, but there is not much scope in India related to CFA. So I disheartened for some moment, but then I researched again that which course should I take which is related to finance and have a good future in that. So I found that MBA finance. Okay, so basically I was clear at that time. I have to do MBA. No matter what happens, I have to do MBA. So I decided at that time, and I actually I uh, also do the banking exams, also preparing for the banking exams. So somehow uh, I know little bit about the syllabus of CAT. Like obvious banking exams are banking level is quite low than CAT level, but still the topics, the syllabus are quite same. So I had just idea about what is what is the full marks, what is the sectional marks, which sections are there in CAT exam, all of this. So I started exploring again, like exactly what is the syllabus, exactly with how much marks should I get to go to a good IIM. Also, a friend of mine in college, Sayana, her name, she suggested me that you should give it a try, a mock first, then you have an idea about how the CAT exam is going to be for you. Is it for you or not? So I somehow it felt right. So I came home, and I started giving a mock from some, I guess I can't remember exact website, but from I just googled cat free mock and just just give the test, and obvious I scored single digit in that uh, mock. But somehow I had that idea that yes, I am interested in this. Like I yes, I have to do this, and I am interested in this. So that's it. Okay, so oh my god, 18 minute it is. Okay, so at that moment and this moment, like from at least 1 year, this is my second attempt, by the way. First attempt I scored 80 percentile with 5 months preparation. So some this I hope this year maybe I will able to get a good score and able to go to a good college of MBA, like ABC, the OG colleges. So that's it. I will. Okay, the next video will be on why I will explain more detail. mm, I will explain in details about my NEET preparation journey, like how I um, how how did I know that that NEET is not for me? How I wasted that gap year. I will also share it. Obvious, I'm not feeling shame about sharing my downfall, because I know for my downfall may someone gain some good things from my mistake, or he may he or she may I can prevent them, like from my experience. uh, can prevent them from destroying their career at after 12th, as I had mine. Okay, I just wasted that neat preparation phase of mine, so I don't want anyone to do the same mistake as mine. So if you feel the video helpful, then subscribe it and be a part of my cat journey. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.